Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today I am going to explain consecutive series in which most of the students get really confused that which number they have to select when they are attempting the algebraic quadratic equations, what problems. So in that case, how we select the numbers. So I'm just going to brief you that how we select the numbers for the consecutive series, if the numbers are odd or if the numbers are even. Just keep in your mind that what are integers. We know that integers are in a number line that's 0. If we move forward, we write plus 1, 2, 3, and if we move backward, we use minus 1, minus 2, and minus 3. Okay, now when we go for the algebra, the series is x. When we in place of 0 we write x. When we move forward we write x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3 as we are moving forward. When we move backward we write x minus 1, x minus 2 and x minus 3. This is the consecutive series in algebra. Okay, now how do we select? There are many ways, so I'm going to explain you in a very simple way. I'm not going in details that how this consecutive series have been maintained, because it's a very huge theory to learn. By time when you grow up and go in the senior classes, you will learn. It's a theoretical mathematics. Now see, for example, you have x, x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3, x plus 4. Okay, now in this situation the numbers, I have selected a series from x, from this x. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. So if I want to write the odd numbers, then what it would be? Odd numbers x, x plus 2, x plus 4. How I have selected that? Even though the 2 is even number and 4 is even number, but I have selected them in an odd number. Just look at the series I have started from. I have started from x, 1. So at first place x is there, at second place x plus 1, at third place x plus 2, at fourth place x plus 3, at fifth place x plus 4 and so on. So 1 is the odd number, so my first term will be x. Okay, then 3 is the odd number, so my second number will be x plus 2. Then 5 is the odd number, then x plus 4 will be my other odd number and so on. When we see even numbers, we can see 2 is the even number. Okay, when 2 is the even number, so x plus 1. X plus 3 is at fourth place and fourth is the even number, so x plus 3. Then next number should be x plus, third number is x plus 5. Okay, x plus 1, x plus 3, and definitely you are going to skip one of the value, and this is x plus 5. Now let's see another example. If I select, my series is going to start from x minus 1. So x minus 1, x, x plus 1. So x minus 1 is at first place. Second place I am having x. Third place x plus 1. Fourth place x plus 2. And fifth place x plus 3. Now if we see the odd number, so at first place I am having x minus 1. Second place, second is the even number. 3 is the odd number, so x plus 1. Then skip this. This is the fourth place. Then fifth place x plus 3 and so on. If we go for the even numbers, just see this x is at the second place, so it's even. Then fourth place x plus 2 and so on. Now let's have another example regarding this. X minus 2, x minus 1. I have selected my series from here. So x minus 2, x minus 1, x, x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3. So x minus 2 is my first number, x minus 1 is my second, x is third, x plus 1 is fourth, x plus 2 is 5, and x plus 3 is 6. So odd numbers, see the place, ordinal numbers. The first number is x minus 2. Then the third place is the odd number x, third place. Then fifth is x plus 2. So these are my odd number. If we go for the even number, x minus 1 second, fourth x plus 1, and sixth x plus 3. So these are my even. So it's basically the questions of algebra in case where they ask the consecutive series like consecutive odd numbers, consecutive positive odd numbers, consecutive positive even numbers, or simply consecutive even numbers, or consecutive numbers. These kinds of variation you see in these type of question where they discuss the consecutive series. They these questions are basically open-ended question. It's up to you from where you are going to select the series. It's totally up to you. But for the beginners is easy that if you consider even or odd number, in case of even consecutive numbers, you just write x plus 2, x plus 4, x plus 6. Just put the even number with the x. And for odd number, x plus 1, x plus 3, and x plus 5. Okay, and so on. So this is the even number consecutive selection and odd number consecutive selection. Okay, now if you don't want to get involved in this, the easiest way, even if you are asked to find the even consecutive numbers or odd consecutive numbers, you can select the series like this: x plus 1, x plus 3, x plus 5, or x plus 2, x plus 4, x plus 6, or even x plus 2, x plus 4, x plus 6. What simply I have done, I have just skipped the one value. X plus 1 skipped, x plus 3 skipped, then x plus 5 skipped, and so on. Or if I select x plus 2 my first number, then I skip the second number, then I move x plus 4, then x plus 6. No matter they are asking me even number or they are asking me the odd number, it's totally up to you. Or if I start a series with x, then I skip the one number, x plus 2, I skip the other number, x plus 4, I skip the other number, x plus 6. So this is very easy to select, and most of the students who are the beginners to learn the consecutive number series in application of word problem algebra, you can simply use this, or even this. This is just for you an explanation to tell you that it's up to you, totally up to you, that what you select, from where you are going to start your series. Okay beta, now I hope that this video will help you to understand that how to select the consecutive number series. Thank you.